World Glaucoma Day is an annual global event celebrated on March 12th to raise awareness of the sight-threatening eye condition known as glaucoma. It is a day to raise the public awareness of glaucoma and its risk factors, and to encourage people to get screenings and have eye examinations to detect the disease early. Glaucoma is a complex eye condition characterized by damage to the optic nerve, which is caused by fluid buildup within the eye. If left untreated, glaucoma can lead to vision loss and even blindness. Unfortunately, glaucoma is called the silent thief of sight because it often has no symptoms and can develop gradually over time, so it takes years before you realize you have the condition. World Glaucoma Day was established in 2004 by the World Glaucoma Association, with the main objective of working to reduce the incidence of glaucoma and its associated blindness around the world. Since then, World Glaucoma Day is celebrated each year as a way to spread understanding and knowledge about the disease, and to support people who are living with glaucoma. When World Glaucoma Day was first started, the main goal was to encourage people to get their eyes checked more regularly, and to inform them about the risk factors of getting glaucoma. As the years have passed, the objectives of the day have grown to include raising public awareness of the condition, calling attention to better diagnosis and treatment of glaucoma, and to promote better eye healthy practices. One way to celebrate World Glaucoma Day is to promote awareness of the disease to your friends and family. Schedule time to talk to them about glaucoma and provide information on how to detect and treat it. Make sure that those in your network who may be at high risk of glaucoma, such as seniors and those with a family history of glaucoma, are aware of their risk and the importance of regular eye exams. Another way to celebrate World Glaucoma Day is by volunteering with a local organization or cause that works to reduce the visual impairments caused by glaucoma. This can be anything from educating people about the condition and how to detect it to raise funds for glaucoma research. Even something as small as signing a petition or sending out a social media message can help raise awareness and support the cause. A great example of how one person celebrated World Glaucoma Day is the story of Pastel, a 63-year-old woman who overcame her disability due to glaucoma. She was diagnosed with glaucoma at the age of 53, which resulted in her vision slowly deteriorating. Despite the odds and the diagnosis, Annie was determined to keep up with her active lifestyle and even competed in marathons. On World Glaucoma Day, Annie wrote an inspirational story about how she persevered and overcame her struggles, and said that World Glaucoma Day makes us aware that nobody with this eye condition is alone. Let's take responsibility and fight against glaucoma. By sharing stories like Annie's and taking steps to raise awareness and support, World Glaucoma Day serves as a reminder of the importance of regular and comprehensive eye examinations, which can lead to early detection and treatment and the potential of saving more sight. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great World Glaucoma Day. Cheers!